The soap that comes in here, this is handmade facial soap. And just in case you're wondering how to open it, it has a flip-up sleeve in the front. Now this comes cellophane wrapped, so you do have to remove the cellophane. I'm not going to use this soap again because I plan on giving this kit away, but I do have soaps that I will use that is this exact kind. It does lather really well. Combined with the brush and the stiffness of the bristles, you have no problem lathering it. In fact, here's the soap I'm going to use. This is an open version. It's been used. I'll take the scuttle out. I'm going to place it right in the bottom, and you can see here that that is the perfect size to fit in the bottom of the scuttle. Even full size, it fits. It goes with the shape of the scuttle and the base. So it's certainly a good marriage. We'll call it that. All right. As I had mentioned, this soap whips up great. Here we are. Those ridges are taking effect. The soap is not sliding around in the bottom, and it's building up quite a nice lather. And here we are. Look at this. Look at that. Look at the peak on that. Right? Soap works wonders. One of the other things too about this soap is that it doesn't dissipate. If you leave it on forever and ever, it may thin out, but it doesn't disappear like some other soaps that do that. As far as smell, there really isn't much of a smell. I would chalk it up to a very light barbershop scent, if anything. But that's why it's hyperallergenic. You know, you're not going to have any irritation from scents that are in the soap. I believe that's true. I mean, it whips up. No issues. I mean, seconds.